What if we told you that there is a machine that runs forever and generates its own energy? Shocked? Watch this video to know more. What is a perpetual motion machine? Perpetual motion is the motion of bodies that continues forever. A perpetual motion machine is, as the name implies, a machine that moves perpetually. It never stops. Ever. So if you created one today and set it going, it would keep on going until the big freeze. Calling that a long time is an understatement of epic proportions. Machines which comply with both laws of thermodynamics by accessing energy from unconventional sources are sometimes referred to as perpetual motion machines, although they do not meet the standard criteria for the name. These machines have a source of energy, albeit one which is not readily apparent, so that they only seem to violate the laws of thermodynamics. What will stop the machine? The big freeze is the theoretical end of everything. It is the point at which the universe has expanded so much that it reaches a state of zero thermodynamic free energy. In other words, it is the point at which the cosmos, as a whole, will be unable to sustain motion. In short, the big freeze is essentially a time of eternal still darkness. In any case, the important thing to remember is that a true perpetual motion machine would be able to run at least that long. To build a perpetual motion machine, we must accomplish many things. The machine should not have any rubbing parts. Any moving part must not touch other parts. This is because of friction that would be created between the two. This friction will ultimately cause the machine to lose its energy to heat. Making the surfaces smooth is not enough, as there is no perfectly smooth object. Heat will always be generated when two parts rub on each other. The machine must be operated inside a vacuum. The reason for this has to do with the reason listed in number 1. Operating the machine anywhere will cause the machine to lose energy due to the friction between the moving parts and air. Although the energy lost due to air friction is very small, remember, we are talking about perpetual motion machines here. If there is a loss mechanism, eventually, the machine will still lose its energy and run down. The machine should not produce any sound. Sound is also a form of energy. If the machine is making any sound, that means that it is also losing energy. What if the machine is made? Let's just say that somehow, we are able to build a perpetual motion machine. Will we be able to get energy from it? Yes, but only up to the energy that is used as an input to start the movement. A perpetual motion machine in real life will just be an energy storage. We must remember that the energy cannot be created, it always has to come from something. If you happen to be able to build one, you will need energy to start the motion. This is the only energy that you will be able to harvest, since, as we know the law, energy cannot be created. So it is still a doubt if we can create a perpetual motion machine. If you liked our video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to get great content regularly.